We've seen this system.out.println command. We know it can send text. Let's also send numbers. So I'll go to the end of this line and press enter, and I'll type in system.out.println, open curly bracket, but I won't put any quotes in now. Quotes mean text. I'm going to put a number in. Let's say for example, 2017, which is the current year, close bracket, semicolon. No error message popped up, right? So I don't have to have quotes if I'm dealing with a number like this. And that's a whole number. A whole number does not have a decimal point. So I'll save this, I'll run it again. And again, out here, I can see in the output window, it says 2017. So it's taken whatever's inside these brackets and used it with this command to then do what it should do. In this case, send stuff to the screen. Let's change that number and put a decimal point in it. So now it says 2017.24. Now you could use that as a representation of money if you wanted to, but basically it's showing a decimal number. So I'll save that and I'll run it. And again it works, it says 2017.24. So I can take numbers like that and show them on the screen, which is straightforward enough. Let's change that slightly and let's deal with something else. We'll deal with, again, a whole number. In this case, we'll deal with an age. Imagine I'm 21, which is a complete lie, but imagine I'm 21. I want to show 21 on the screen. There's one way of doing that. Is just remove that and put in 21. I can save that and I can run it and it says 21, but I don't want to just do that. I want to do something special. I want to use memory. Right now, in my own brain, right, there's lots of places in my brain where I store information. One thing I know is I've got a box in my brain, let's say, that contains a number, and that number's my age. And we'll imagine I'm 21. So in my head, I think my age is 21. So somewhere in my brain, there's a box called age that contains the number 21. Let's take that same idea and look at computers. Computers have memory where information can be kept, and you can create one of these boxes for the computer to remember information. So I'll go up here and I'll create one. INT is how you start it, then a space. INT stands for integer. An integer is a whole number. We know an age is a whole number because you don't say I'm 21.7, you say I'm 21. Then the next year I'm 22. So I can use the word int here to represent a whole number. So it's int space, I'll put in lowercase I, then capital A-G-E for age. I'm creating a box in the computer's memory called iAge. The reason why there's an I at the front of age is because I want to remember later on what type of information it might hold. In this case, the I to me in my brain says, oh, that's an integer, which is a whole number. So I've got int, saying what it might be, type of information it might be, then I to remind myself it's an age, yes, but it's an integer age, then equals 21. Right? Now look at the way I've wrote that. Space equals space 21, semicolon. The semicolon's at the end of a command. In this case, I'm creating a box in the computer's memory called iAge, and I'm putting the value of 21 inside that box. Now, later on, I can now use this thing called iAge, this little box in the computer's memory, and I can, for example, show the value 21 on the screen, but using this thing called iAge. So let's change it now. Go down to the code, change that to iAge, and I'll save it, and I'll run it. So it still says 21, but look, that doesn't say 21, that says iAge. So what the computer's done is, it's when, oh, I've got lots of boxes in memory, and I know there's one here called iAge. It goes and looks to look at these boxes in memory, and it finds the fact 21's inside that box, and instead of showing the word iAge, it shows me the contents of the box. In this case, it says 21 in the box, so that's why it says 21 over here.